Did you know that life purpose is all about your future? It's all about your long-term happiness and your fulfillment in life. It's actually all about who you want to become, and it's also about what you want to achieve in and throughout your lifetime. But not everyone thinks about this. I mean, most people just live for today, and by this I mean that many people will sacrifice their long-term fulfillment in life just to experience some short-term or some short-lived feelings of happiness now. And if you think about it, up until this stage of your life, you've most likely studied, you'll have learned, will have most likely worked, you've had relationships, some good, some bad, you'll have gone on holiday, you'll have made money, perhaps even a lot of money. But the question that I really want to ask you here is, despite all of your greatest efforts in life so far, are you content? Are you fulfilled? And are you genuinely satisfied with where you are in life? I mean, maybe you are, but maybe you aren't. Either way, there's a pretty good chance that the reason you've enrolled in this course is because you genuinely want to improve the quality of your life in some way. Am I right? Well, my name's Kane Ramsey, and at this stage I'd like to welcome you to the course and also thank you for placing your trust in me as your coach. I'm going to do my very best throughout this course to lead you on a journey of self-discovery and self-awareness, not just by regurgitating a whole load of stuff that you could have read in one of those self-help books somewhere, but by asking you some questions, which if you go on to answer honestly, well, they're genuinely going to shape and direct how the rest of your life goes. Because what I want to show you in and throughout this course is how simple and stress-free life can actually become when we begin getting clear on what it is that we actually do want to achieve in life. I mean, life purpose is a pretty big topic, right? And as for the pursuit of happiness, well, they've even made movies about this one. Because we all want to achieve something, don't we? And we all want to live a life that genuinely counts. We want to live a life that means something, that stands for something, and that enables us to feel like we're actually making a difference in the world. So throughout this course, all that I'm really going to do, as I've previously mentioned, is ask you a few questions which you're really going to have to think about and answer for yourself. Because if you do, then I can guarantee you right now that you will become so much clearer on the path that you must take for a more purposeful life and a more passion-filled future. Because once you know this path, well, you can begin moving forward on it today. You can take those necessary steps towards living a life that genuinely counts. You will start making a difference, the difference that only you can make. Because it's only through making this difference that you're ever going to feel fully satisfied and fulfilled with life. So, thanks for joining me on this journey. It might be a little bit challenging at points, but if you're ready to step up into a whole new level of life, then just let me simply be that guy that helps you become a whole lot clearer on the path that you must take for a more purposeful life and a more passion-filled future.